gentlemen, welcome to the Improv, Cleveland's premier comedy club. Coming to the stage this evening, it's his fault that you're here. He's the former talent coordinator for the television show A&E's Evening at the Improv, and author of the book, How to Be a Working Comic. Make some noise for Dave Schwensen.
All right. Thank you so much. Keep it going for Josh back there. He's our sound guy. He's going to make it all happen for you tonight. Wow. Thank you for coming out. This is good. In case you haven't heard, we are sold out. Yeah, I'm sure they came to see me, right? But thank you for coming out. Thank you so much. I want to keep things going here. A round of applause for all the comics you're going to see tonight and the Improv Comedy Club. Yes. The #1 club in the country. If you go to a big city, you'll see an Improv Comedy Club. There you go in, you see all the comics you see on Comedy Central and all those other channels that I keep forgetting that I have. Okay, like I said, this is our comedy workshop tonight. I'm just going to tell you a little bit how this is going to work. Because you are a very important part of this workshop, believe it or not. You are in this workshop now. Because stand-up comedians cannot really rehearse. They only know if their stuff works if the audience laughs. If they laugh, it's funny. If they don't laugh, think about a day job. No, think about rewriting or doing something. Our comedy workshop, what we do is we meet down here for 3 Saturday afternoons, right here. We work out on the stage. Everyone works on writing their own original stand-up comedy set that they are going to do tonight. We also talk about the entertainment business, and I drop a lot of names, and I have a good time anyway. But, and then tonight is our big night. Like I said, you are now a part of this workshop because we need you to help us out to see how this material works. So this is what I need for you to do. If someone comes up here tonight and they say something funny, I want you to laugh and applaud. Try it. I want to hear what this sounds like. Come on. All right, that sounds great. Now listen, if someone comes up here tonight and they say something that's not so funny, so what you're going to see tonight is these people work very, very hard on this, and they really, really need and want your support, so please be with them. I know you're all here to see somebody, right? Well, give me some names. Who are you here to see? After all these years, I finally got one person that said me. I'm thrilled. I'm going to add 20 minutes to my set right now. No, I'm not. Matter of fact, I'm going to give you the best news you're going to hear all night. All right? I'm going to tell you that my part of the workshop on stage is over. I'm done. My segment. I'm going to turn it over to someone who knows what she's doing up here, our host and MC tonight. Now, this is very cool for me. Everyone you're going to see on stage tonight, including our headliner, has come out of this comedy workshop. I'm bragging. How cool is that? Right? And now our host and MC, she took the workshop 4 years ago.